Haiki tini Tripura mothani YTF ro Tripura gnangai kwbangma constituency kwbangma block gnangai kotorma ke jaga jaga bagre likhaleka YTF ro.
Good morning to all the press media friends, and thank you for being here to cover our news. Today, on behalf of Youth Tripura Federations, we have organized a bike rally across the state in every constituency. Basically, this bike rally is intended to send a message to all the people for attending our plenary session, which are to be held on 27 and 28 of this month. And we request all the people, all the section of people in Tripura to come on that day and make our plenary session grand success. Additionally, we also would like to tell to the people that in the plenary session, His Highness Maharaja will also be attending as a chief guest. Along with him, we are expecting and hopeful that Cabinet Minister of the state will also be there, including former YTF President, who will address to the youth regarding our next move and step and other strategies. We also would like to send a message through this bike rally to those people, to those leaders who claim that we are no more committed to Greater Tripura land. We want to affirm them that the core demands of Tripura Motha political party is Greater Tripura land, and until and unless we achieve this demand, we are not going to compromise. But before achieving this Greater Tripura land, there are also other important development issues and constitutional solutions which are also to be looked into the matters. That doesn't mean that we compromise for the core demand of Greater Tripura land. Thank you.
Haga tini kwbangma constituency kwbangma block je YTF rok Tripura mothani YTF rok rally khalimani. Among hakai fainai 27 tai 28 first YTF plenary season amoni bagai awareness khlainani bagai o bike rally khlaijaka tini. Tai o rally khaimani tini amo central government no kaisa message hornani chini Tiprasani je demand tomoni chini Tiprasani je accord khlaimani amono ignore khlaiye je chini demand no rejagi hangai amoni setebo kotor ma movement hayaka andolon khlainai hinui Kokborok tini. Tai 27 by 28 of this month no February Tripura mothani YTF ni first plenary season o jaga bubagara bo manjakna hinui Kokborok. Haike amono awareness khlainani bagino tini je rally khaileka bike rally khaileka bottle khai ta central government bo message kaisa hornani haike borok o je samane ang taising samane amono haike Greater Tripura land nango omo khibiya hani saka but haipano Greater Tripura land ni sikang je constitutional solution je Tripura se accord khlaimane amo sakang mana nango tarpore engnai amo compromise khlaiya hani saka mane khibiya hani saka
all Tripura tini salsani salono tini bike rally mega bike rally khainani thangai tongo o mega bike rally o sini joto bubagrani warriors bubagrani shankara sini YTF ni president joto TMP ni president te joto YTF joto warriors ro te srapsani bising kan sini o mega bike rally seng sajaknai sengai rojaknai tini all Tripura joto YTF bike rally khainani thangai tongo tini belai ke hambai bike rally khainani thangai tongmani khasini buskangni 27 28 do plenary YTF ni plenary tongo plenary season Rwng Agartala ni ho oro 27 sini YTF only YTF khlai plenary season khayani thangai tongo boni awareness dei kaisang kangke sini je tripakik accord o accord no implement khainani bagaina sing tini bono bhaikebo daiti implement khainai bhaikebo bono teisini land rights political rights je March mase 2 tarik 2024 je accord khamani government of India government of Tripura je pramotha khawai je tripakik accord khamani no daiti implement khainani bagai sing tini ni o mega baiti le khai to thangnai ni YTF ni central committee meeting asok laikha tongmung buskangni 2 tarik March mase 2 tarik wangka di sakanaika sini accord implement ya khai tongmung ni sini o accord no implement khayang khangke जों YTF tabo wan sogui tongo dormonogor ni simi sabrom jara hingnani choba khainani ready wi tongo जों yakung lakhlai dormonogor ni simi sabrom jara yakung lakhai only YTF hingnai sal hor bathar yakhlai haike hingnani thangi tongo de busini choba kotor buskangni o khainai जों buskangni 27 28 do প্রায় 3000 গ্যাদারিং YTF স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ অঙ্গে স্বামী বিবেকানন্দ সং রেলি খাই ত্রিপুরা বর্ণ ফাইনাই অমননি ননি চ্যানেলটি কক সারনানি মুসুগু তাবগবু থানসাংয়া খরক তাবগবু সিনি হাতै দফানা হামজাইয়া খতংনাই রক गोबां ससियेल मिडियायाव पद्रे पर कक सानाय रक नरबु फाइदि नरनि बागै सिं दगार खुला तंगो नरनो सिं खा कुफुर बायलाम सगो नरबु सिनि थानसाव फाइदि सिनि तिप्रासानो बाहायखेबो अस्तित्व रक खानार गइमानाय सिनि हातै दफानो नेक्स्ट जेनारेशनो बाहायखेबो सिं नार गइमानाय अमननो साया नंया खाइ सिनि हानि बुबाग्राबो साक्थारै तंगो बो सालायै तंगो दिल्लीयाव अलरेडी नेताबो पार्लियामेन्टनो जे त्रिपाक्षिक एकर्ड खामानि ड्राफ्ट हकजाक द ग्यांकेने सिनि delimitation sekang sini o accord implement nani thangi जों बेलायखेनो tini short time medicine ofane sini o 30 bagma kilang kene jefrpane sini Tripura mo thani probab besi जों hoya bone tini जों hisab khaile mane pray 1000 kasakasi bike dai bu phai tongkho kereng phainai जों bai ओके जों या फांनि सिमारो सिनि किल्ला Tripura मथा पार्टी ऑफिस नि सिमि जों रेली खाइ थाङै लवाबारि हाई स्कुल के थाङै थाइ प्लट थाइ पंके थाङै जों गुरिबै अरो न गेटारिं जों
तिनी बाय रेली लेबो मै
तिनी बाय रेली सक्सेस नै जेके फान कन्फर्म बो डेफिनेटली जेके फान सक्सेस नै लास्ट सिनि ओ बुस्कांनि 27 28 जे प्लेनरी टंगमानि रविन्द्र बाबुनो अरो बुसुं जत जे सोशल मीडिया नायै तंगनाय र जतनो फाइबाइजारि तै बोसों खाना 26 तारिखो जत YTF सयदानि 7 टाबो लाइभ जतनो प्लेनेरि सिजननि बागै फेसबुक लाइभ होनानै